Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with TikTok if your drafts aren't saving. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official TikTok application on our mobile phone if you haven't already. Once you open it up, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your home page where you can get started with scrolling. So if you do not already have the application, what you want to do is go to the App Store, find TikTok, download it and open it up. Once you have logged in, now we can get started with making posts. So this is the main page from where we can get started. And to get started with posting TikToks, you can click the plus button right here at the bottom of the screen in the middle of the page. As you can see, the big plus button. And once you open it up, it's going to look like this. So from here, you can get started recording TikToks. You're going to have your camera right here from which you can get started with recording. So get started with recording your TikTok, or just go ahead and select it from your gallery that you want to use. And once you have used it, now we can get started with saving it as a draft. So once you have recorded it, guys, it's going to go ahead and give you this option right here, the privacy settings. You're going to have the privacy settings so you can view this post, either your followers, friends, or only you. You want to select only you. Once you select only you, you can go ahead and post this. Once you have posted the TikTok, nobody will be able to see it except you, but it's going to be saved to your camera roll and your draft is going to be saved. So if you do not want anybody to see it, but you want to save it to your camera roll, this is how you can do so. If you do not post it, then it's not going to be saved as a draft and to your gallery, so keep that in mind. This is the only way to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.